Government's implementation of the all-out ban on pogos in the country was punctuated with the permanent closure of an establishment of such nature in Kawit, Cavite. Various government agencies took part in the operation to ensure the hub will no longer be able to operate. PTV's Ryan Lesiges has the details.
Ito na lang po ang natitirang pogo or offshore gaming hub sa buong Pilipinas. So pag sa umagang ito na isinara na po natin ito, wala na pong hub ang natitira dito sa atin sa buong bansa.
Several days before the deadline of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s ultimatum, all operations of Philippine offshore gaming operators or POGOs in the country have been shut down. Earlier today, the POGO in Island Cove, Kawit, Cavite was inspected and permanently closed. DILG Secretary Junvic Rimulya, PNP Chief Police General Romel Francisco Marbil, PAGCOR, and PAOK led the posting of notice of closure on establishments inside the POGO hub. DILG, together with the PNP, PAOK, PAGCOR, and DOJ also locked the buildings completely. During this morning's inspection, abandoned gaming rooms were revealed. Employee quarters were also vacant. These include 15,000 Filipinos and 15,000 foreign workers.
Nakikita nyo, ito sa self-sustaining community, may restaurant, may beauty parlor, may KTV, may grocery. So, ayan nung peak niya, may mga 30,000 na tao dito. Ngayon, zero. At least yung nag-aalaga na lang ang natitira dito.
He also mentioned that the foreign workers' working visas have been downgraded to tourist visas, making it impossible for them to stay longer in the country. The PNP and PAOK assured to monitor the possible emergence of POGO guerrilla operations that might use business process outsourcing or BPO as a cover. Meanwhile, PAGCOR stated that the closure of POGOs in the country could result in the loss of no less than 20 billion pesos annually for the Philippines.
Makikita nyo po, pagtutulungan po namin, after January 1, you will see ang powerful po ng gobyerno laban sa ganito. We may make sure, matutupad po yung pangako ng presidente natin na wala pong pogo by January 1.
Sa katapusan po, pagpasok po ng first week, magsisimula na po tayo ng enforcement. Yung po yung mga pogo hubs na, yung mga pogo, small scale pogo operations na magtatago po doon sa mga hotels, sa mga resorts at sa mga bahay-bahay.
From PTV Manila, Ryan Lesiges, Balitang Pambansa.